Merry Christmas Eve to everybody. I am right around the corner from Pure Watersports. There's a little parking lot in the alley back here. I just talked to Chris. He's gonna be here in just a few minutes, and we're gonna raffle off that new Hobie Passport 12, man. Fired up. By the time you guys watch this, it'll probably be past Christmas, and you'll probably already know the winner because we're gonna do it live on Facebook. But yeah, didn't want to get run over by the truck, but you guys will already know because we're gonna do this live on Facebook. But I'm fired up to show you guys Pure Watersports and introduce you to Chris Boyer. Dude's great. Family's been in the fishing and kayaking industry forever. They're like legends, freaking legends. Here's the shop. Hey, what's up, brother?
What's up, man?
What's up, Pooch? Give me some. Give me some. Just telling everybody about Pure Watersports and what we're doing, and I'm like, by the time you watch this video, we're gonna be doing it live on Facebook, so you'll all already know. But whatever.
Yep.
What's up, buddy? Yeah, Chris said he's gonna be a few minutes late. He had to stop and get something.
No rush.
What's up?
You're being a good dog. Oh,
Look at these guys. What's up, brother?
What's up, man? He's like, oh, no, my friend.
There he is.
We almost got the same shoes on, bro.
Look at all this.
I know. We need to upgrade my kayak right now. Christmas time like last year. Let's curate my wife some more. Yeah. Didn't I buy that last year at our holiday party? I think so, yeah. I did, yeah. What? Yeah, let's piss her off some more. Let's do this. Be a good time. Hey, what's up, Richard? This is California time. What's that? This is California time. Whoa. I was at...
Oh, dude.
I had to make a drop off in Irvine.
The links with the Bimini.
Took a little longer.
Now you're riding in style. Hey, Con. your buddy's walking himself. Here, I brought some beers. Everybody feels like a beer.
Fat tire, I haven't had that for a minute.
Put
Bunch of Christmas treats from our bake-off yesterday at the house.
The bake-off.
Yeah, man, there were so many treats yesterday.
So here we are in Disneyland, aka Pure Watersports.
Hey, honey, look what I just bought. She was like, oh my god. But she likes it because, I mean, if you think about it, like, it gives me something to do. I'm not like temperamental.
Chris, I did it
I have a
wrong.
hobby now. So.
Okay, I took it again. Never mind.
She was mad at first.
Yeah, no problem.
Which one you auctioning it off?
The roto-molded Passport 12.
That's the new ones, right? These ones?
Yeah, dude. When I walked in, they were. I was getting them confused with the Outback because they look so.
Wow. That's a one piece?
Yeah, it's all one piece now. So instead of the two, like the old.
You don't have to worry about it leaking or cracking.
I don't even think that was like
No
an
seams?
issue. It's just like a lot. I think it turned a lot of people off. Like honestly,
Just a two color?
Like the two colors kind of like gave you like this idea that there was separation between it.
Gotcha.
Like that you don't get with like the solid ones. That was like when I was looking at mine, that was like,
That's
you know.
a decent price for a foot pedal.
Is that what is? What are those? Is that tandem Outbacks or something?
That sounds like I heard they were. Not sure what brand they are. Something happened.
Those things are. They look big.
My dogs fucking. They defecate everywhere in my house. Oh yeah.
These guys are heavier than the pro anglers, that's for sure. They're like 140 pounds.
No shit.
Yeah, this is a little whoop-de-whooped.
I don't know how to work it strap.
Fucking pogue.
Oh, well, it's got like handles and
I'm a pogue too, dude.
I know.
What the hell is a pogue anyway? For us non-Marines.
Other than a grunt,
Person
which
up.
would used to be a degrading, like if someone was a grunt, like during Vietnam, so person other than a grunt was like better than being a grunt.
So grunt was bottom of the totem pole.
So it used to be a good thing, and then they turned it into this, or it used to be a bad thing, and now it's like.
And then the grunts reversed it, and
Yeah,
what I mean by
reversed
that
it.
are infantrymen are considered grunts,
Yeah.
right?
So now they started trying to
Garrison
crap about pogues, like they're worse than grunts.
So
Folks,
grunt is an acronym too. It's Garrison Replacement Units Not Trained. During Vietnam,
Not
the-
trained.
They used to send people over to Vietnam not trained. They were known as grunts, Garrison Replacement Units Not Trained.
No
So
shit.
they go up there and they had a life expectancy of like 2 seconds. Like,
Yeah.
so it was bad to be a grunt, and like to be a pogue, person other than a grunt was someone who was trained.
Person other
someone
than a
other
grunt.
yeah.
Oh, so that. Oh my God, that is so funny.
I'm gonna hand this side
Here,
over.
will you film this? I'm gonna help them.
Yeah.
I know you're in.
Yeah, I got a 15-pound limit here. Yeah. What the fuck are these?
Or maybe
This
just
is
come to the
like,
end. Yeah,
It's
we'll
where they
slide
got
back.
bricks inside of them.
yeah, this is, I think this is a
How
Boston
dumb would it be
whaler.
if it was actually weed?
Hey, I'll take a Boston Whaler. It's got to be about 18 foot.
Is this an actual boat? This isn't
No, this is a sink.
boat.
Want to turn it?
Hold on, let's see where we're gonna get this one first.
I mean, well,
You want to take them in, Chris, and open them up and then stage them, or you want to just stage them with wrap already?
Well, you guys, like, they're going in the out trail.
yeah. So we have to take them.
Room in the house.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, like, you might need to go into the showroom and then then
into the
move it
showroom.
this way. So we'll set it up next to that green kayak over here.
And Liz over here like, fuck, we need to move that from there. It's heavy as fuck.
This has
How
nothing
many
to do with
people
a raft.
I started that group years ago. Yeah, you tip it up on its side next time.
Okay.
Move that shell. And as it started to grow, we noticed that when COVID took over, Heroes in the Water.
All right, that's one down. Got one more to go. Okay, cool. Thank you.
Are these tandems?
That's what I said. Is these like tandem Outbacks? They weigh like 400 friggin' pounds. You going to rip some lips right after this?
What's that? I
gonna
wish.
rip some lips
Those
right
are all broke, man. Those are all warranty rods.
Oh.
I wish. I'm gonna go 5 story truck.
Thank you, brother.
Yeah, not a problem. Yeah, I was going to ask them if they're talking about grunts and stuff. What do you guys call Air Force people?
Oh my God. That's Chris's gift, Chris.
Opening up these yaks are for Heroes on the Water. They got donated, so everybody's excited to see what's going on.
Yeah, I got the cutters.
Man, they even put like cloth on it.
I know. Say someone, you guys can turn this into some toga stuff. Toga party.
There you go, there's a spot.
There's
there.
the oars.
Oh wow, this thing's nice.
Brand new.
Look how wide and stable this thing is, dude.
Oh, it's a Jackson.
Is it?
The Jackson.
Oh, it is.
JK.
There it is.
Is it?
It's a camo Jackson, dude. That is sweet.
There's the drive right here. Never heard of this.
See it?
There it
There it is.
Oh, there
There's
it is.
accessories. You got the dikes over here?
All right, somebody get the garden hose, get the water. Let's go see. If
Wow, this is cool. I like the graphics.
The Nard. How cool is that, dude?
So
This is a badass yak.
Man, that is way cool.
Oh, Jackson's big red. Look, it even comes in a storage container.
There's competition for holding.
Well,
I
this,
never heard of it.
more freshwater.
Red flag to put on the back of your yak because this sumbitch is huge.